Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the cakes. Once baked, trim any domes and place each layer on a flat board. Chill for 20-30 minutes to firm the crumb so you won't tear it. While it cools, arrange your tools: turntable at easy reach, offset spatula, bench scraper, and a piping bag for control. This prevents slipping and ensures even frosting. Once ready, position the bottom layer on the turntable and keep the rest chilled until you're ready to stack. You'll build stability by piping a frosting ring near the edge of the bottom layer. This dam holds the filling in place. Once the ring is set, add 1/2 to 3/4 cup of jam, ganache, or buttercream in the center. Spread slightly but don't overflow. Place the next layer, press down gently to even contact, and check alignment with the edges. Repeat piping and filling for additional tiers, making sure each layer is level so the cake stacks straight. You skim on a thin crumb coat to lock crumbs, spin the turntable and smooth with a bench scraper, then chill 15 minutes to set. Once firm, apply the final thicker coat, using an offset spatula to push frosting outward and the scraper to create clean sides. If you see gaps or dents, press small amounts of frosting into them and re-smooth. Keeping the cake chilled makes this easier. If the frosting slides, chill again briefly and continue. That quick step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.